What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, breaking news: Asante Kotoko will be facing Burkina Faso side RC Kadiogo in the first preliminary stages of the CAF Champions League. I think fans have been, talking about how happy they are that we got a Burkinabe side. I think it's acceptable because people know that if we face the North African teams as something that everyone is scared about. No one wants to face the North African teams because they take the CAF Champions League and the CAF Confederation Cup personal. So I think it's a very good result, and I think Kotoko, they have the chance of qualifying to the group stages of the CAF Champions League. But the winner of Asante Kotoko versus RC Kadiogo will face the winner of Gaborone United versus AS Vita Club. That's Botswana Club, that's the Gaborone United, and AS Vita of Congo. So the winner of RC Diogo versus Asante Kotoko will face the winner of Gaborone United and AS Vita Club. Now Kotoko will play the first game away from home. That's RC Kadiogo will be at home and the first leg, and that gives Kotoko a huge boost because we can go there, win or get a draw, come back to Kumasi and beat them very well. So I think it's an advantage because most times we play the first leg here, you go there and get beaten or humiliated. This time I'm hoping it won't be the case because Kotoko can actually go there, get a good result, come back here and beat them very well. So I'm very happy with the results. That's my reaction. I'm extremely happy. And the people we are going to meet, the people Kotoko will be meeting in the second stage of the preliminary round, I think Kotoko can actually show their force and actually beat either Gaborone United or AS Vita Club. That is my reaction. I think Kotoko will go a long way in the CAF the CAF Champions League this season, and I think they have to prepare. The rule number one: don't underrate any team. I know there are good draws, but we shouldn't underrate any team because they can actually pull surprises because all those teams worked very hard to be at that particular position. So no one wants to go down very easily. So it is very, very necessary not to underrate any team and go into the game with full force and full confidence that we are going to beat anybody we face until we get to the group stages of the CAF Champions League. I would like to know your thoughts. That's my reactions of the CAF Champions League draw. I hope you enjoyed that. I would like to know your thoughts. Is it a good draw? Is it a bad draw? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, click that notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.